Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through Feelings Wheel for Kids worksheets and how to effectively incorporate them within your practice. What are Feelings Wheel for Kids worksheets? Feelings Wheel worksheets are a highly effective tool for children to freely express their feelings, with it providing the ability for them to more easily identify their emotions. Children can reduce distress and negative thoughts and work towards a balanced mindset. These worksheets can be used across many different environments and can be used by psychologists, social workers, counsellors, child therapists, and more. How to use Feeling Wheel worksheets. The first step is to download the worksheet. You can access this worksheet through our website and app for free. You'll then need to complete the worksheet with the child. For best results, collaborate with the child during your appointment sessions. You'll then need to write notes for additional context as to what is shown on the colour wheel. The final step is to secure the document securely. These worksheets contain highly sensitive information, and if the child does not wish to take the document home, then you need to store it within a HIPAA-compliant server. Here is an example of a completed Feelings Wheel for Kids worksheet. To use these worksheets in Carepatron, the first thing you need to do is click on the Templates tab. You can filter by notes and by community to view our entire note collection. If you would like to be more specific, type in the keyword Feelings Wheel to find the relevant template. Click Choose Template and then select your client. This will bring up the Draft tab where you can edit the template, customize it to your needs, and once you're happy, click Publish to complete.